alternative approach to finding determinants, and which has a deeper definition. For that, first we have to define what is called as the minor of a matrix. Minor of an element of a matrix. And this has to be a square matrix, by the way. Determinants are evaluated only for square matrices. So suppose we have, consider a matrix A whose elements are A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. It is a 3/3 matrix. It's a 3/3 matrix. So minor, so now minor of an element is defined as is the determinant of the submatrix of A after eliminating the row and column containing that element. Okay. So this is the definition of the minor. Now how? So minor of, let's say this is the matrix. So minor of A1, minor of element A1. So to get minor of element A1, we remove the row and remove the column containing A1. So you have determinant and take the determinant of the rest, B2, C3, sorry, B2, C2, B3, C3. This is minor of A. Okay, minor of A1. So I'll just write this matrix here in the corner so that it'll be easy for us to refer. Okay, this is the matrix. So minor of A1 we have written. What would be the minor of A2? What will be the minor of A2? Remove the row, remove the column containing A2. Then whatever the elements are remaining, take the determinant of that, that is the minor. So second row elements and the first column elements are removed. So this is the minor. The value will be B1 C3 minus B3 C1. Then okay, minor of A3 you can find out. Let us say minor of B2. What will be the minor of B2? Remove the row containing B2 and the column containing B2, and whatever is the rest, take the determinant of that, A1 C1, A3 C3. So A1 C3 minus A3 C1. Okay, A1 C3 minus A3 C1. So this is the minor of B2. So like that we can find the minors. Now, so this is minor of any element of a matrix is found like this. Next, we have the definition of cofactor. Cofactor of an element Aij of a matrix. Okay, cofactor of an element. How is a cofactor defined? Cofactor of an element Aij is minus 1 to the power of I plus j times the minor. Minus 1 to the power of I plus j times the minor of Aij. So we have A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. Now let us say we replace the elements by their minors. Okay, so now when I replace the element by their minors, I will write, M A1, M B1, M C1, M A2, M B2, M C2, M A3, M B3, M C3. Okay, so these are, I replace the elements by the minors. Now what I need to do to get cofactors, I need to multiply the minors with minus 1 to the power I plus j. What is I plus j? It is the row, the ith row and the jth column. So for the first row, first column, I plus j will be 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So minus 1 to the power 2. So I get, just a second. So I get minus 1 power 2, that is plus. So I get plus MA1. Now when I go to the second element, first row, second column. First row, second column, I have 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 1 power 3 is minus 1. So minus 1 times the minor of B1. Next, first row, third column, 1 plus 3, 4. Minus 1 power 4 is plus 1. So MC1. Like that. Second row, first column, minus 1 power 3. I get a minus sign, MA2. Next I get a plus sign, MB2. Next I get a minus sign, MC2. Next I get a plus sign, third row, first column, minus 1 power 4. So MA3. Next I get a minus sign, MB3 plus MC3. So this is, these are cofactors of elements. So cofactor of A1 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into determinants of B2 C2 B3 C3. So it is minus of B2 C3 minus B3 C2. Okay, that is the first. Similarly, let us take a minor of sorry, this is plus, I'm sorry. Let us take the minor of cofactor of C2. C2 is second row, third column element. So minus 1 to the power second row, third column, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 times what you get, A1, B1, A3, B3. Remove the first row, remove the second row and the third column. You get A1, B1, A3, B3. So you get a minus sign of A1, B3 minus A3, B1. Okay. So like that, we can find the cofactors. Now, we can find the cofactors of all the elements. So now comes the definition of determinant in terms of its cofactors. Now, determinant is defined like this: the sum of the products of the elements of any particular row or column with their corresponding cofactors. With their corresponding cofactors. The sum of the products of elements of any particular row or column with their corresponding cofactors. This is defined as the determinant of the matrix. Okay, now let us see this. So we have a matrix A, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. And we replace the elements of A by cofactors of A. I will denote the cofactors as capital A1, B1, C1, capital A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Okay. Now, determinant of A is defined as, or determinant of A is defined as, along any row, the elements multiplied by their cofactors take their summation. A1, capital A1, B1, capital B1, C1, capital C1. Or along the second row, A2, capital A2, B2, capital B2, C2, capital C2. They will be equal. We can take an example and see, you will get equal. Or along the third row, A3 multiplied by its cofactor, B3 multiplied by its cofactor, C3 multiplied by its cofactor. Or you can take along a column, A1, A1, A2, A2, A3, A3, or B1, B1, B2, B2, B3, B3. So C1, C1, C2, C2, C3, C3. So along any row or any column, you multiply those elements by their corresponding cofactors and add, you get determinant.